Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in this video today, we're going to be creating a beautiful tablescape for one. Come on with me, guys. So as you can see here, I placed a tablecloth in this really pretty yellow. And then right over that, I placed a tablecloth with lace. It is gorgeous. So now we're placing a beautiful runner with white roses, and we have some lights with ivy. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am your main host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now hosting with me is AmethystAdventures. So let's jump right into the video, guys. There is no guest, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to see what you guys create. Now remember to always follow YouTube etiquette. We always mention the hosts at the beginning of the video, and we always link their information below in the description box. We also subscribe to the channels, we click like, and always remember to give encouraging comments. Now we always watch everyone's video in the playlist because we work so hard to create beautiful things for you. All right, guys, so always remember to head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. You will also see the rules for the collaboration. So let's get this table finished. Now moving on to the table, this gorgeous charger, I got that at Hobby Lobby. I was so excited. I don't think the camera's doing it much justice. It is gorgeous. Right, so I had to start with that pop of color with the sunflowers. Now I placed that leaf plate there along with the lightly green tint plate that was thrifted from the Goodwill, along with the napkins. The napkin rings came from Dollar Tree, and we are doing good on a budget. Now the glassware was also thrifted from the Goodwill, and the flatware came from Walmart. Now those beautiful ivy lights, I got those from Walmart as well, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. So I'm going to be giving you the night view, so make sure and stay till the end. I think this came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.